my channel. I'm Bree, the coupon queen. I didn't get a chance to doll myself up today. I just got back from the gym, so that's why I'm not behind the camera today. But I did go to Walgreens. I did 2 transactions because I had the 10% off of 15 coupon and the 30% off of 30 coupons. So I hope you guys were able to hop onto your apps and get those clipped. They're probably gone by now. I'm not sure, but definitely double check. If you're not subscribed to my channel, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification tab so you can be up to date on everything that I post. I'm definitely going to be going back to Walgreens again. There were a couple deals that I didn't get a chance to do, so I want to take advantage of those. So let's dive into the deals. And this one has a lot easier. This will be linked as well in the description box, so you can just print it out and take it right to the store. Make it easy for you guys. The first transaction I did was with the 10% off of 15 coupon. So if you have both of those coupons, the smaller coupon is gonna come off first. You wanna make sure you do 2 different transactions. Otherwise, that 30% off coupon is not gonna come off. They're gonna try to, take off the smaller one. It happens every time, so make sure you guys are cognizant of that. So for the first transaction, it was a smaller deal. I did the buy 3, get a $7 register reward on select Crest items. So I went ahead, it's Select Crest and Oral-B. So I did the 1 Oral-B 3D white. They're all on sale for $2.99 a piece. And then I went ahead and got the Crest Scope. This is the smaller one. It is the 500 milliliter. It's not the 1 liter one. So just make sure you're watching your tags. Your store should be marked. If not, make sure it is that 500 milliliter one. So you're gonna buy each of those for $2.99. You're gonna use a $1 off one on the Crest Scope, $1 off one on the Oral-B, and a $1 off one of the Crest 3D White. They are all in the Walgreens app. So all you have to do is clip those to your card. Make sure you do that before you go to Walgreens. Sometimes if you do it right before you check out, the computer won't notice that you clipped it. It takes a little bit, and then you might not get that deal. So make sure you clip it before you guys go to Walgreens. So the final out-of-pocket, it's $8.97 when you purchase the 3. You're going to be taking off the $3 right here, so it's going to be $5.97, and then you're going to get back a $7 register reward. So these as well wind up being free plus a money maker. So exciting. $1.03 money maker right there. The next thing I did in the same transaction. So second deal is on the Rimmel. They are 40% off. So just like my last video, I'm getting a lot of eyeshadows because I need to replace my eyeshadows. The last one I have is from Claire's, and I bought it literally 10 years ago. It's like all falling into pieces. Half of the little squares aren't even in there. It's super gross. So I wanted to get these. I'm picking up 1 in the first transaction, and then I'll pick up 1 in the second transaction because as you see, I got 2 here. I got 2 different kinds with different shades. So I'm really excited to use it. I've never tried it. I don't know how good of a product it is, but I know Rimmel's a pretty good name, so they should be pretty good. Better than the Claire product that I have now anyway, so always an upgrade. So those are 40% off. So with it being 40% off, the price is gonna ring up at $5.09. You're gonna use, again, $3 off 1 printable coupon from coupons.com. Then you're gonna use the $2 off one in the Walgreens savings booklet, and that is gonna be on page 17. The entire month of August. So definitely scroll through, see what kind of good things they have. Just looking through this is where I found there was quite a few that matched these deals this week. So this is the one you're gonna use. It's on foundation, eye cosmetics, literally anything. Just because it has a photo of mascara right there, that doesn't matter. So you're gonna show them this book and they're gonna scan this code right here. You can use it multiple times. You can use it through the entire month. These are the dates here that it's active. So scan that. So then it's gonna wind up being 9 cents. 9 cents, can you imagine? This luscious beauty for 9 cents. So great, so great. Okay, the next thing I did, this is the last one I did in the first transaction. It is on the Colgate, buy 3, get a 5,000 point reward back. So this is the Colgate Optic White. I got 3 of them here. So they are on sale, 3 for $12. Then you're gonna use a $5 off 3 that I just printed this morning off coupons.com, so I do know it is there. So again, head to coupons.com. I'll leave the link in the description box to print all these coupons to be able to do all these deals that I did today. So total out of pocket is $7. You're gonna get back 5,000 points, so it's gonna wind up being $2 for all 3 items. Not a bad deal. So when you total everything up and you wind up using that 10% off of 15 coupon, the total is $26.06 for the items, like before coupons and everything. Now, this is super important. Any coupon you scan from this, they call it IVC, which I don't really understand why, it doesn't make any sense, but they call it the IVC. It's just the Walgreens booklet. So any IVC coupons have to come off before the 10% off coupon comes off. And the reason being, they're both Walgreens coupons, so they don't want you to double up a coupon in essence. So the $2 off, which is what we used on that Rimmel product here. So you're gonna subtract the $2 off first. So then you're gonna subtract the 10%. So it's gonna be the 10% off of $24.06 because you have to subtract this first. So it's $2.41. Then we had $11 in coupons. So the total is gonna be $10.65 plus tax. We're gonna get back $12,000, could you imagine? $12 in rewards. It's going to be 5,000 points from this, and then a $7 register reward for this. Again, sometimes register rewards don't print, so just be cognizant of that. Make sure you know what register rewards are supposed to print, and they can always just give you the points instead. For the inconvenience, they wound up giving me 10,000 points, so mine wound up being a little bit more of a moneymaker, but it's not guaranteed that that's obviously gonna happen to you, so just stay patient with the cashiers, stay patient with the systems. At the end of the day, we're saving tons and tons of money. So the total, your total, because I got an extra 3,000 points because the register rewards weren't printing and I was kind of having a little bit of an issue. So your total with the $7 and register rewards is gonna be free, plus another money maker. I just can't even. This week has been so on point with money makers and free items and super cheap items. It's insane. So it's going to be free plus $1.35 money maker. Again, you're gonna pay taxes out of pocket no matter what. No reward points, no nothing is ever gonna cover taxes at Walgreens or CVS. You do have to pay that out of pocket. So remember, I put this in bold. Walgreens booklet coupons, which is also called IVC, V like Victor, not B, probably can't understand that. IVC, come off before any % off coupons, so keep that in mind. So the second transaction I did was the larger transaction. I got a lot of good food items. Some of them have coupons, some of them don't, but they were on sale, so I bought them anyway. First deal, oh, I can't even reach my little baby arms. Okay, is on this Purex crystals. It is, I can't even read it myself. Oh, 15.5 ounces. Why won't it focus? Dang camera. There we go, 15.5 ounces. They are typically like $6.99 or something. They're on sale for $1.99. Then there is a $1 off one coupon in the app. So the final price for that is just 98 cents. Then these crunch bars, they are the singles. I went ahead and got 4 crunch bars because I just think they're super tasty. So those right now are on sale 39 cents each. So if you have no coupons, no nothing, that right there, super good deal. Typically they're like 99 cents or $1.29 or something like that. 39 cents off the bat, really hot deal. Then there's a 50 cents off 2 in the app. There was also a 50 cents off 2 printable on, again, coupons.com. It's my favorite website. I get most of my coupons from there. So the total out of pocket is 79 cents minus the 50 cents, 24 cents for 2 of them. How insane. So I did the deal twice, so that's why I have 4 there. So if you want to do the Butterfingers, it'd be the same thing. I just got 4 of the Crunch Bars because they're my favorite. Next deal is on the Bic pens. We had a $1.50 off of 2, not 1, typo, my fault. $1.50 off 2 from the inserts from this Sunday. So if you got newspapers from this Sunday, you will have that in your inserts. So these are 99 cents a piece. I got one with pretty colors, and then I just got some black ones. So they are 99 cents a piece. Gonna use that $1.50 off of 2 from the inserts. Total out of pocket is gonna be just 49 cents for both. 25 cents each. And look, there's 10 pens in here, and there's 8 colorful pens in here. Look at all these pretty colors, super exciting. And this is what look at this pup. Oh, so handsome. Okay. Next deal is on the Scott paper towel. So again, this is all month long. This deal, oh God, hold on. Get off. Come on. Stop. We're couponing. Stop. Okay. Now, these are $5 regular priced. And this is all month long. So they are $5 each. You're going to use $2 off one coupons from inserts, or they were, I don't know if they are anymore. Again, coupons.com. I printed these a while ago. This is what it looks like. So this one expires on the 14th. The two that I used today expired today. So you always want to make sure you check your expiration dates. Sometimes I've been super excited about coupons and then they wound up already being expired. So that's a super huge bummer. Then you're going to use $1.25 from the Walgreens booklet. It is on page 7. I have this memorized. So they say it should come off automatically, but I don't trust it. So I give it to them. I have them scan it. So you want to make sure that you know all of that. Give this to them. Again, they'll scan it twice. It'll work for both products. So I could get 10 of these. It'll work 10 times, whatever. This is also for the Comfort Plus bath tissue. So again, don't look at only the photo. It is the Comfort Plus bath tissue, 12 big rolls. So just a little side deal. Those are also $5. You can get the $1.25 off. Then there's a 50 cents off coupon. So you're paying $3.25 for 12 rolls of toilet paper. Super hot deal. I didn't do that because I don't have any room from that Dollar General haul that I had done like 2 weeks ago or something. I wound up getting toilet paper super cheap, so I stocked up then. So total out of pocket is going to be $5.50 for both of these. Keep in mind, I'm doing the 30% off of $30 or more. It is $30 or more. If I spent $100, 30% off was working this week. So it does not stop at $30. So that's really cool. Then I got the Welch's Fruit Snacks. Love gummies. I will do as many gummy deals as I possibly ever can because gummies are great and I just love them. So Welch's Fruit Snacks. I got the two different kinds. The mixed fruit. Honestly, I don't even know why I got the mixed fruit. Everybody knows the berry one is the best with the grape and the cherry and the raspberry. Like, that one's way better. I should have got two of those. That was a major mistake on my end. But they're on sale. 2 for $4. There is $1 off 2 from the inserts, or it's in the app as well. So let me see if I have I'm sure I have another one. I have like millions of everything. Let's see. Quit. Here it is. Okay. So then total out of pocket is going to be $3. You're going to submit the receipt to Checkout 51. It's another reward app. You download it to your phone. You look for that one. You click it. Then you're going to scan your receipt. So the final price after all the rewards is $2 for 2 or just $1 a box, which is awesome. Then I got the icebreakers. I got 2 of them. I already opened one and used it in my purse. That's why you only see one here. They are on sale 2 for $3. There is $1 off 2 in the Walgreens app. So go ahead and clip that to your card before you go to Walgreens. Then there is $1 off 2, again, Walgreens booklet. This thing has been so on point for these transactions today. It's on the top, so you're gonna have them scan that as well. It is $1 off purchase of 2. Make sure you see that. So any kind of fine print, go ahead and look over that. So final price. Then I went ahead and did the L'Oreal deal. I got 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $8. There is a $3 off 2 in the Walgreens app. Then, again, this booklet, so sick. $2 off in the Walgreens booklet, page 19. I even gave you guys the page numbers. I am really trying to make this as easy as possible for you guys to save. So, again, photos deceiving. It's on any hair care or advanced hair stylers. That's obviously a hair styler. I just got the hair care. So, have her scan that. It's another $2 off. So final is going to be $3 for both or $1.50 each. That is awesome for shampoo and conditioner. And I like L'Oreal. I think it works really well. So that is not a bad price at all. Then side little extra deal because I like Doritos and I needed some because I ran out when I was eating my tuna fish sandwiches. I like to have tuna fish sandwiches with Doritos. It's the only way to eat it. And I ran out of Doritos, so that's why I bought them because they were on sale for $1.99. So no coupons, no pizzazz. I just like Doritos. So that was my second transaction. Oh, did I go over the Kellogg's? No, I didn't. Where did it go? Maybe I didn't type it up. Oh, no, I did. I just missed it. Okay, bam, rewind, rewind. Oh, I missed all of this. Oh, what was I doing? Okay, so, sorry about that. Awkward. Kellogg's cereal. You can get Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, whatever. They're all on sale for $1.88. So this is a pretty good size box. This is the 10 ounce. It's not the itty bitty one, but it's also not the family size. So again, make sure you're checking what's tagged. So these are $1.88. There's a 50 cents off one in the app. Again, clip it to your card before you go. Total out of pocket, $1.38 for a box of cereal, which is awesome. Because those are usually like $3, $4, especially at like Walmart, Publix, really expensive. So now I buy it at Walgreens and CVS. Again, so I got another one of these, of the Rimmel. The deal is awesome at CVS and Walgreens. Like, honestly, I don't really think either is better than the other. This, at Walgreens, is less out of pocket. It's 9 cents out of pocket. CVS, you wind up getting the extra bucks. So if you're new to couponing, I would pick it up at Walgreens because it's less out of pocket. So again, $3 off one. It is in the app or that printable from coupons.com. Then $2 off one, again, page 17. So I'm gonna have her scan that one as well. Another $2 off, so it's gonna wind up being, again, 9 cents. 9 cents, super cool. Okay, so let's go over our totals with that 30% off. So total for all the products was $39.48. Keep in mind, again, Walgreens booklet coupons come off before the percent off coupons. So $7.50 comes off, then the 30% off, which winds up being $9.59. We had $14 in coupons. Total winds up being $8.39, sorry. My screen is all cracked on my phone, so it's kind of hard to read. Then a $1 back rebate from the gummies. Don't forget, go ahead and submit that to checkout 51. Then the total is going to be $7.39 plus tax. So I used points to cover this, and then I just paid the taxes in cash. So not a bad deal. The first deal wound up being a moneymaker, actually a bigger moneymaker, because remember, they wound up giving me $10 in points back because the $7 didn't work. So overall, out of pocket and everything, wound up being like probably, I don't know, $3, like $3 plus taxes, which is awesome for all of this product. Like, look how good. Next time I go to the movies, it is going to be super lit because I'm going to have so much candy. I'm going to have this candy. I'm going to have this candy. I'm going to have chips. It's going to be great. My purse is going to be stuffed to the brim. So this is my first Walgreens haul. Again, I'm going to be going back later this week so I can utilize a few more coupons that I have. I did order more coupons to redo the Rimmel deals. I'm going to get something other than the eyeshadows because I think I have enough eyeshadows now. Probably get some different lipsticks, things like that. So the good thing about Walgreens is there's no limit. So you can do the Rimmel deal until your heart's content, as long as you have all the coupons, obviously. Because you can use the $2 off here as much as you want. So as long as you're getting an item that's like $5 and then you use 40% off, it's gonna be like $3. Then you have $2 off in the booklet, it's gonna be like $1. So all the $5 items you're gonna be wind up getting for like $1. So that's awesome. So anyway, that is my Walgreens haul, the 2 transactions that I did for today. So keep in mind, it does vary store to store, so just check your pricing. Things may be a little cheaper, they may be a little bit more expensive. So make sure you guys are checking your pricing and staying organized. Again, this printable document is gonna be in the description box for you guys, as well as where I got all my coupons, the different rebate apps that I used, and some referral codes to get you guys some free cash and free points off the